he is. Oops, he fell. Pick him up. Oh, he does walk. Oh, yeah. Oh, give it back to him. Hurry. Give it back to your brother.
I'm telling you.
You're dancing, Max, with Papa. Give it back to him, please. DJ. Thank you.
Can we buy that more?
We might have to, the way it makes. Are you wanting that? I think he's scared. I don't. Oh, here. No. Oh, he don't want.